Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, welcome back. We've got a lovely video today. I've been talking to this company for a little while. Together, we are going to solve your issues. If you have, like me, and you've got a daft car, you are a larger gentleman, and you want to save weight, so you take all your radio and your speakers out, but you still want the creature comforts of Apple CarPlay, we've got something for you, me and Tom. We are joined in spirit and in product by a lovely company called Eonon. I want to say a massive thank you to Zoe. She has been an absolute pleasure to deal with in the marketing department. They have answered umpteen questions of mine. They are absolutely wicked to deal with, and they have sent us this, and I want to show you what it's like. So we're going to unbox it. We've not done an unboxing on this channel yet. Packaging wise, top notch. Lovely magnetic. Lovely packaging. Lovely. It's like QVC this.
Get on the phone right now. There's only 5 available.
Yeah, there's only 5 left. Tom's behind the camera just taking
Hello,
a bit.
hello.
So this is their lovely portable Apple CarPlay. Comes in this protective sleeve. You've got loads of foam. You've got some more protection. Windscreen mount, which is probably what I'm going to use. But it also does come with, it's like a sticky mount. It even comes with, lovely, a
Trim tool.
Trim removal tool. Thank you, Thomas. You've got some extra, that's a reversing camera, comes with a reversing camera and a forward facing camera in 4K. And then you've got, this is the power adapter. You've got an aux cable in there and all, loads of stuff, user manual. But the piece de resistance, which I was massively excited about. I've even saved it. So this is their sticky dash mount. So you can mount it like that.
Oh, go on, pull that bit. Pull
That's
that
what I've saved it
pull
for,
that off.
Tom.
Look at that.
That's it.
That's
Now,
amazing.
when you think of like portable Apple CarPlay, I was a bit dubious at first, but look at the size of that. That's going to be more than enough. So this is for if you're like me or Tom. So Tom's got the Mark II, no radio, no speakers. I've got my Mark IV, no radio, no speakers. But with things like this, if you're driving to a track and you need to know where you're going, and you don't want to have your phone knocking about or risk getting done for it, pop this. I'm going to probably use a windscreen mount. Pop this on your windscreen mount. Wireless Bluetooth Apple CarPlay, straight to that. It comes with CarPlay Android Auto, AirPlay and Cast. It's got a 4K camera at the front. It's got automatic brightness. It's unreal spec for the money. Like, it's wicked. So I'm just going to give you a little demonstration of it today. We're even going to use Tom's phone to show you how easy this is to set up. It's ridiculously easy. So you're going to have to join me in the Mark V in a second. So obviously cigarette lighter and the Mark V that's in there. We'll gently rest that down there. This is how quickly it turns on. So I'm going to turn car on. USB-C and also they are with the times. This is how quickly it turns on. For that. And if my handsome assistant Tom would like to join me.
Hello.
Have you got your phone?
I do.
So Tom's on his Bluetooth. That's it. Straight away. That's how easy. Well, what's that? A minute?
It's that.
And then
It's a minute because we're idiots doing it.
So if you want your Spotify on, obviously I'm not going to play anything because of copyright. But Spotify in, obviously it has speakers built in as well. Your ways, if you want to head on down to TC Performance with your Apple CarPlay, obviously on a normal car, it'll just be up here.
See, got a text message
Yeah.
for bonkers competitions.
How mad is that? I'm well impressed with that.
Screen size is mega, to be honest.
Yeah. It works just as Apple CarPlay is. It's nice and responsive. And then obviously if you wanted to have a look at the camera, proper 4K camera and all. But obviously if you wanted to keep it on track, you could quite easily record a bit of footage with that.
Oh, it's mega that.
It's more than enough.
If you were to put that up to the rear view mirror,
That would be smart.
Like you can get rid of your mirror and have that.
So when you're talking for a portable, so you can have it like if you're like us, where we can have it in different cars. If you need it in your track car just to get to and from a race, you can't argue for what, 180 quid?
£180, it's basically a radio with built-in Apple CarPlay that connects to your phone.
And some of the cheaper ones, like I've watched videos on cheaper ones before, and they're dead laggy. Like it's just not even a point. Like there's literally no like lag on that. I'm barely even touching it. Obviously, you can take your calls, you can answer your text.
You can even go on Android Cast, go on YouTube. We're not advising you to do this, and connect your phone and watch No Messing on YouTube while you're driving on. So there's no excuse to not see our videos.
And that's how easy it is just to put a suction mount on.
2 minutes.
For that.
It's quicker than radio.
It is, yeah.
Look.
It's like 3 seconds quicker than my radio. And that radio is not a cheap radio, it's like 300 quid. But yeah, I'm mega impressed with that. Eonon have smashed it with that, and 180 quid. Like, I can't even argue. I'm also going to show you some nice clips of it in the R32, because this is literally, obviously it's portable, so it's any car, anywhere, anytime.
And easy as that, it's installed.
If you were borrowing someone's car, they didn't have CarPlay, you put this in, and then you might be back in your own car tomorrow, you can put it back in your car. Literally 2 minutes, job done.
So let's cut to a couple of videos what it's like inside the car.
We've not been in here for a while because it's still on drive. I'm trying not to touch the thing because there's a bit of mould on the seats and that, so I'm not driven it. But like, how gangster does that look in R32? Yes, battery's off, so that's why it's not on or anything. But that's still pretty sick. I need to see if it'll work on my little USBs, or I'll try and basically put back in a cigarette lighter. But other than that, mega impressed. Is the Eonon P4 Pro. Unreal for the money. That is absolutely wicked. I'm mega impressed with that. So I'm going to leave a link to it down in the description. Once again, I just want to thank Eonon for sorting us out. It's been a massive pleasure working with you, and thanks again to Zoe for being such a pleasure to deal with. She even emailed me on Christmas, missing me and wishing me and Tom a Merry Christmas, which not a lot of companies do. It's very thoughtful. So let me know what you think down in the comments. Let me know if you're thinking about grabbing one. Obviously perfect for track cars, perfect for old cars. Now especially old cars, some people don't like putting newer tech in, but if you're going on a road trip somewhere, you can put that. Imagine that, driving to Nürburgring when you get there, tick it off. Fast as anything. So yeah, thank you for watching, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one. See you in a bit.